I am currently on my way to a small park on the south side of the city to try to beat a storm front that's due in the next 2 to 3 hours. It's currently 83 degrees, 92% humidity, and it's about 8:30 in the morning. So it's going to be muggy out, but the cloud cover will keep it from feeling like it's, really swampy out. I'm going to be targeting bass, and if bluegill are biting the lures I throw, I'll take those as well. So kind of fishing whatever bites, but that's really pretty much the only two species I get in this little body of water. I'm taking a 6-foot medium action spinning rod, and I'm going to take a light action 6'6" spinning rod, and we're just going to see what we can get to bite here in the next few hours. And there's not many people here, great. So looking forward to this, and we'll take you along, see what we can get. All right, no takers yet. Switch back to the larger swivel. There we go. Decent sized little bass. Figured there'd be one working up in here. There we go. There we go. Decent little guy. First one of the day. Switch back to the smaller swirl tail now. No luck along the dock on the opposite side, and let's see what happens here. I have to throw over this cover, but it could pay off. It's right off the posts, not bad. Oh man, definitely had movement. Oh, it swiveled on me. Something had it. I think it had it by the tail though. There it goes. Got it that time. Got him. He was underneath the log too. I'm gonna try to get him up here. Yep, I know. That's a decent sized little bass. I mean, these are more dinks than anything else, but for this size lake, pretty fish. It's not small enough. It's not taking it. I think it's a bluegill because it's popping it like crazy, but it is not getting the hook. Another nibble. There we go. Oh, see, I tried to set the hook and it was too big for it. So just for fun, I'm gonna downsize here. All right, this is one of those little Bobby Garland slab slayers or whatever they're called, and this isn't even rated to throw this. This is a light action crappie rod. It's only rated down to a 16th, and this is much lighter than that, but I'm gonna see if it'll It flung it a little bit. I'm just going to try to get whatever this is. It's coming after this thing. I don't even like this style bait. There we go. Oh no, it even got off of that. It's got to be a bluegill. It's got to be a bluegill. Or it's a finicky bass. Which is always possible. But yeah, they're just popping at it. It's a little school bluegill, I'm pretty sure. Hey, got one. Yep, there it is. I guess his mouse was just too small to get over that sickle hook. So, yeah, hang on, buddy. There we go. Pretty little fish. There may have been one more through there. We'll go for it. Again, not the species I'm targeting today, but the bigger ones will take the swirltails. No problem. Another one had it. There we go, got him. And this is why those thumps weren't getting caught by the other baits. You just can't get it in that little bitty mouth. Still fun to catch though. Cast right in front of that tree. Right. There we go. Oh, no. Come here. It was stuck in the, he's got the hook in him still, so I didn't want him to get off with that. See it? Come on, buddy. Let me get you. All right. Hopefully I can get that out. I did not want him to run. Hey, quit doing that, buddy. Trying to help you, man. Did you throw the hook? You might have. You might have just thrown it. Yep, he threw it. Good. So there he is. He was super shallow. I have no idea where the hook went, but I'm glad I got it out of him. Pretty fish. I had to step in the water to get him, but I'll take it. All right, switching back to watermelon fleck. Squirming grub. That was bumpity bump. Here we go. Get a little bass there on first cast. I'll take it. Try to keep him from throwing it here. Here we go. Oh, he threw it last minute. Ah. I try to keep him pinned, but I let pressure up last minute. There we go. Another little bass. Let's try to keep him on here this time.
There we go. I want a high stick. I kind of did on accident there. All right. Come on, buddy. You're hooked under behind the tongue, I guess. Here we go. Make sure the screen's on. Whoa! Yeah, he's gonna get in the water. Here he went. Ha! I forgot to hit record before casting. Stay on there, buddy. There's another one. Huh. Honestly, it's probably the biggest one of the day, too. No major ones here today. Yeah, this is the biggest one of the day. Easy. This one or the one that had the... Here we go. Healthy guy. So the rain got pushed back a little bit farther. I may still butt up against it, but we'll see. So I'm back. I was here about 3 weeks ago. This is the little creek inlet that runs around maybe about a quarter mile around this bend. It hits the main lake. And I'm gonna try to fish these lie downs. Worm that I threw last time. Oh man, something had it. Something had it. Man. All right, switch to this little green lizard. It's gonna help me control the splash a little bit. And the size is a little bit more subdued. Much softer entry. Got one. There we go. Oh, he popped it. He threw it. Felt like a decent little fish. Not huge, but back around. Oh, it took it and ran. Wow. It took it and ran. It's not big enough to get the hook. Got one. Oh, it came off. I don't know what it was, but it came off. Man, I waited too long to set the hook. Unbelievable. All right, got it that time. Got it that time. Let's see what he is. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this is a decent sized little bass. That's a good sized bass right there. Right in the top of the mouth. All right. Would I? There we go. Finally got one in here. Definitely big enough to take this. He hit it twice. He hit it twice. That's pretty good. A little bit. There we go. Good bass right there. Finally. Decent sized guy. Wow. I knew there was one in there. I don't know if he got the tail off the guy earlier or not, but finally. Again, he's not a monster, but he'll do. And it pulls great on that medium rod. Here comes some thunder. Stay with the blackened chartreuse. Oh man, something was on it. I didn't set the freaking hook. I was getting a mosquito out of my face. Unbelievable. There we go. That's the one that got away from me last time, I'm pretty sure. Good sized bass too. Let's keep him on there. Because he felt heavy. And this guy's heavy. Yeah, this is biggest or second biggest of the day. Here we go. Maybe about the size of that last one. Good looking fish. It's so humid out right now. There we go. There we go, another guy. All right, another decent one. Good zone, liking the worm up in here. All right, buddy, come on. Come on. All right. Normally, oh, just missed your eye, buddy. Yes, here. Let me get in your mouth here. I know you're not gonna like it, but it's the best way for me to get it out. All right. Normally this is the spot I come when it's super hot out. And I came here today because with the rain coming in, I didn't want to get caught out in the open at the park. So I thought this would be a nice alternative. Well, I'm pretty sure you heard the thunder and the wind picking up in those last few clips where I was landing those, well, last two bass at least. And I've been trying to dodge the weather all day. It's been pushed later in the day and it's finally making its way in. So I'm gonna head home and try to beat the downpour that is likely coming. 2 locations today. That was not the plan when I first woke up, but hey, sometimes that's how it goes. I had a good time. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, be safe and God bless.